assigned to Region Legal Service Office, Midwest in Chicago. I'm a staff judge advocate, and I also help on some military justice matters. I'm the training officer and the operations officer. A staff judge advocate is someone that advises commanders on a host of issues: criminal law, can be fiscal law, personnel issues, somebody that kind of helps them solve their problems. Well, I feel like CO, commanding officers, and commanders really trust their JAGs, and it's a great feeling when you have spent some time with one and you can tell that your boss trusts you and that they value your opinion, and that's really special. I think our clients feel that they can look to us for honest answers, not just to solve their legal problems, but to solve their problems. And I just think that they really trust us, and that we hold a special place and add a lot of value to what they do. One of the most valuable things for me is when you can tell that a line officer or commanding officer really trusts you, and that they've built a relationship of trust, and that they see you as a valued part of the team. And that's really a special moment, and that makes you feel like what you're doing makes a difference. I was a staff judge advocate recently advising a commanding officer of an installation, and we had a pretty major issue happen on the installation that he was very concerned about, and just getting to talk to him and to confirm to him that we were going to be all right, that I was going to handle it, and that we were within the rules. And it was just nice to see him relax and feel comfortable and feel that I had his back, and that I was supporting him. Well, I think reserve officers particularly are going to continue to be called upon as the different threats around the globe change, and as jobs and billets come and go. I think we're going to be continuing to be relied on to fill gaps and to step up and to deploy and to do the things that we can do to help the active force. And so I think our role is only going to increase, and I'm excited about that. Work-life balance is difficult, but it's worth it. It's worth it for the relationships that I get to maintain in the reserves, and it's worth it to continue serving my country in the way that I do. So it's hard, and that's why families also serve, because they bear a lot of the burden for the work-life balance. But at the end of the day, it's worth it, and it's something that I enjoy. I would strongly encourage people to consider the Navy Reserves. It's a great way to serve and also maintain your civilian life, and to build some of the best friendships and relationships you've had. And people always say thank you when they hear you're in the service, but really I feel thankful for the relationships that I've built and the experiences that I've gotten that have made me a better reservist and a better lawyer in my civilian life.